Hello everyone, welcome back to Soroban Magic. We will learn how to add numbers that make 5. Let's start. This top bead is the 5 bead. When we bring it down, it means 5. Like this. Lower beads make 1, 2, 3, 4 only. So for 5 we use the top bead. Let's take some examples. 3 plus 2. Set 3. 1, 2, 3. Now we add 2. 3 plus 2 makes 5. So bring the top bead down and clear the lower beads. The answer is 5. Okay. Next, 1 plus 4. Set 1, add 4. 1 plus 4 makes 5. Top bead down, lower beads down. The answer is 5. Now 2 plus 3. Set 2. 1, 2. Add 3. Top beads down. Lower beads down. The answer is 5. Yes. Next 4 plus 1. Set 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Add 1. 4 plus 1 makes 5. Top bead down, lower beads down. The answer is 5. Yes. Always reset your abacus before the next sum like this. Okay. Great job everyone. Keep practicing a little every day. I put worksheet in the description box so you can practice more at home. If you need help, you can ask me in the comments. I'm always happy to help you. In the next video, we will learn how to add numbers bigger than 5. Thank you for watching Soroban Magic. See you soon.